So today, we're going to do one on the poppets in the book. All right. Would you move a place? The sun's up there under all this mess they've been spraying since last night, but the sun's still there. That's Jesus Amun-Ra, the sun. I intend to bring forth heaven on earth for the benefit of all. I intend to release all from bondage of time and money. Safe passage into the Garden of Eden for Satan and 144,000. Do blood over intent. Write on a piece of paper, I intend to bring forth heaven on earth for the benefit of all. Put a drop of your blood on it, publish it to YouTube, tag and title it Blood Over Intent. Join us in blood or expire of your own stupidity. I did some poppets a while back, and somebody came on here and they were telling me how evil I was. And for what? For doing whatever I can to stop them spraying in our skies and poisoning us and the mother, or just lying to us and pretending it's a alien invasion or Jesus come to save them. And this other one, do you think this one was evil too, sir? You know, this one where they've been sacrificing children? I suggest you start searching and see that you have been worshiping Satan all your life. Not this one, the other one. Yeah, he calls himself God and Jesus or whatever, but, you know, that's not what he is. You know, just look at what something does. So this is for all the sacrificed souls. When you get to the end of it, and all the different cults, and whether they're moon cults, sun cults, or mushroom cults, or whatever. And this one, wizard's down here.
I intend to bring forth heaven on earth for the benefit of all. I intend to release all from bondage of time and money for Satan and 144,000.
Pull up that video of the Huntsman and get to the end of it, would you? Because that'll be for the Huntsman. This is for all these plain trolls. And yeah, trolls on YouTube, you spread your lies and your poison. This is for you. And this is for... You know what? I just found out that it's really not just witches. It was these shaman who, you know, they believed in a mother and a father and healing each other. And the only demons that they wrestled with was the ones inside. And they believed in, you know, taking no more than they need and giving a portion back, and about soul sickness. And they knew things, and that's why they were murdered. Because if you don't sell out Sally, then they're going to make you pay. Okay? So, for all you trolls, you plain trolls, you trolls on YouTube, this is from the Huntsman.